What's the meaning of asceticism? Asceticism. Asceticism.
Asceticism. Asceticism. Asceticism refers to the practice of living a simple and austere life, often characterized by self-discipline, self-denial, and abstinence from material pleasures. The result of asceticism is typically a heightened sense of spiritual awareness and detachment from worldly desires and possessions. Many religious and philosophical traditions place a premium on ascetic practices as a means of achieving enlightenment or liberation from suffering. While asceticism can be challenging and demanding, it is considered by many to be a meaningful path toward personal growth and transformation.